Sit up. Sit up.
That's not just sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
It's yawning.
Sit. Sit up.
But walkies, is it walkies or food or something like that?
Sit.
Batteries are gone.
Sit up.
Batteries are gone, that's what it is.
And so batteries went on that.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bit of life left in the battery. I thought the battery had gone totally then.
Sit up and beg.
So guys, you can see it works nicely. Range of commands. The eyes twitch, the ears move, tail wags.
Give me a paw.
Yeah, fantastic little toy. So there you go, if you've got a young daughter out there that loves toys, wants the ideal Christmas toy, then this
Down.
is it.
Lie down. Down. Lie down.